There are 7 billion people on Earth right now, and they all want to learn something. But the way we learn things has changed. With social media, we're able to find, follow, and connect with people that are doing what we want to do. We're learning more from videos and podcasts than we ever learned inside of a school. We don't need to learn from someone with a PhD or an MBA. We want to learn from people that are doing what we want to do. Fortunately for us, every 20 years or so, something comes around that completely disrupts and redefines an industry and brings with it a fresh experience the masses just fall in love with. Like Airbnb changed the way people vacation and Uber changed the way people get around town. Bitlocity Academy promises to bring forth new opportunities to learn about and profit from disruptive blockchain technology, such as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, while helping you create massive impact in the world by tapping into a $355 million a day business that Forbes says will be generating $1 billion a day by 2025. Why is this important now? Throughout history, many things have been used as currency. Livestock was one of the first forms of currency. It makes sense, as a milk cow is essentially a dividend-paying asset. But cows are not easy to trade, or divide for that matter. So the evolution of money continued. Eventually the world learned to extract metals from the ground, and those metals became the basis for our monetary systems. In ancient China, the Zhou dynasty used metal gardening spades for currency. Other societies relied on lead, copper, silver, and gold coins. Metals worked good as currency for thousands of years. They're useful, easily transferable, and divisible, and they offer the possibility of an increase in value. Eventually, bankers realized that they could use paper to represent those metals. Paper bills were far easier to transfer and spend than coins were. In 1875, the United States began printing money. Instead of backing the money with nothing but empty promises, each bill came with a legal contract printed on the front that said, "Redeemable in gold on demand at the United States Treasury." Because of that legal guarantee, the United States dollar became the most valuable currency in the world. The American economy boomed, and the United States became the one true global superpower. But Washington didn't like it. Its ties to gold limited its size and scope. It hacked away at the power of big government. It wasn't until 1971, almost 200 years after the fathers founded our country, that the hard asset period ended. That's when President Richard Nixon stunned the world when he removed this legal contract that the dollar could be exchanged for gold. Known as the Nixon Shock, this ushered in the pure fiat money phase of American currency. Today's bills say nothing about gold, but instead are backed merely by the word of our political leaders, which isn't worth much, I think you'd agree. And this simple change to no longer back our currency with gold allowed the government to completely transform the way it does business. No longer did it need to restrict its spending, borrowing, and money printing to the amount of gold it had stored in the treasury. Now it had access to virtually unlimited credit and money. The power of big government was unlimited. Money literally meant nothing in Washington. Since the Nixon shock, both the amount of money printed and the amount of money borrowed has spiraled out of control. Debt exploded and the value of the dollar collapsed. And that's led us to where we are today, where once again, big government and the economy it created is desperately struggling to survive. We're a nation with a government that's deeply in debt, with a rapidly depreciating currency and a banking system that nearly imploded just a few years ago. Thanks to Washington's manipulation, the American economy since balanced on the edge of a cliff. By the time they're done printing and spending the next $1.9 trillion COVID relief package, the US government will have increased our money supply by 40% in the last 12 months alone. This means the dollars in your pocket or bank account are worth 40% less than they were a year ago. Now let's compare that to Bitcoin. Elon Musk, who's currently the richest man in the world and the CEO of Tesla, says Bitcoin is now the most valuable currency in the world. And he put his money where his mouth is and purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and said Tesla would start accepting Bitcoin for purchase of its automobiles. A year ago, you could have purchased one Bitcoin for about $5,300. Today, that same Bitcoin is about $53,000. Now, why is Bitcoin going up by 10x a year while the value of a dollar has dropped by 40%? It all comes down to supply and demand. While the US government will continue to print dollars by the trillions, there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins. Ever. According to Buy Bitcoin Worldwide, as of February 2021, only 100 million people in the entire world own any fraction of Bitcoin. That equates to just 1.3% of the entire global population. That's where Bitlocity Academy comes in. Bitlocity Academy is an education, technology, crowdfunding, and rewards platform. Bitlocity Academy was designed so you can learn everything you need to know about the continuing evolution of currency being created by the disruptive blockchain technology. You'll learn things like, what is the blockchain? How will the blockchain technology change the world? What is cryptocurrency and why is it here to stay? What is crypto mining? What is crypto training? And much, much more. With every Bitlocity Academy package upgrade, you'll receive a specific course designed to help you navigate and monetize the crypto world. Bitlocity Academy offers 14 ranks of education, with 11 ranks from the $25 bronze to the $10,000 double diamond. Bitlocity Academy offers 3 VIP packages. The VIP packages are only available to those that have completed the first 11 ranks and have achieved the rank of double diamond. VIP number 1 is the rank of Blue Diamond. This is a $20,000 package and includes attendance to the annual VIP Mastermind event. All Blue Diamonds will receive business class travel and upgraded room for this all-expense paid event. You'll connect with other Bitlocity VIPs from all over the globe who will share what's working best for them. This Mastermind event is modeled after Tony Robbins' legendary Mastermind events. Tony runs 5 of the highest level Mastermind events in the world every single year. His top level Mastermind is $250,000 a year. He runs 3 that cost $100,000 a year, and his starter program is his Platinum group, which has 400 members and is held at his resort in Fiji every year. It costs just $89,600 a year, and at the end of the event, over 95% of the attendees sign up for the next year. The coaches for our event were personally trained by Tony Robbins to put on masterminds just like he does, so this event will be unlike anything you've ever attended. Another benefit of the Blue Diamond package is our luxury car program. Your monthly benefit is determined by rank and will be posted in the back office. The next VIP rank is the Ambassador package for $50,000. This VIP position is only available to those that have completed the first 12 ranks, from Bronze through Blue Diamond. The Ambassador rank entitles you to attend 2 all-expense-paid VIP Mastermind leadership events a year and includes first-class air travel and a luxury suite for your stay. First is our annual Mastermind event for VIPs, which is included with the rank of Blue Diamond. Next is our annual event for ambassadors and above. This no-expense spared event will also be held at a world-class resort. Another benefit of the Ambassador package is the upgraded luxury car program. You'll receive a higher monthly benefit than you did as a Blue Diamond. Monthly benefit is determined by rank and will be posted in the back office. Our highest level rank is the Crown Ambassador, which is a $100,000 package. This VIP rank is only available to those that have completed the first 13 ranks, Bronze through Ambassador. The Crown Ambassador rank entitles you to 3 VIP Mastermind leadership events a year and includes private jet travel along with an upgraded suite for each of your stays. You'll attend our annual VIP Mastermind event attended by Blue Diamond ranks and above. It also includes our VIP leadership event for ambassadors and above, and our Crown Ambassadors annual event. This will be the ultimate event for those that have achieved the highest rank in Bitlocity Academy. Another benefit of the Crown Ambassador package is the, once again, upgraded luxury car program. You'll receive a higher monthly benefit than you did as an ambassador. Monthly benefit is determined by rank and will be posted in the back office. Traditional education is dead. Our governments are going to continue to print money and devalue our dollar. What are you going to do? I invite you to take a look at Bitlocity Academy. We will provide you with education and technology needed to capitalize on the evolution of currency in the new crypto world by participating in our unique crowdfunding initiative. Learn more at www.bitlocity.io.